Good morning, guys. Hopefully, you guys are all well today. We are going to have a little bit of a meeting, but we're going to do a little bit of a garden meeting. So, we have our plants over here, they're growing. I have some sunflowers, and some tomatoes, and some cilantro. I already put some lettuce out in the garden. I'm going to show you guys the garden in a few minutes. But hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you had a nice weekend, and I'm looking forward to our day. We're going to look at the garden stuff. We're going to sing a couple songs maybe, and do yoga, and then we'll read a book. Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, it's pretty nasty out here. It's kind of raining and windy. I chose a funny day to go gardening. But you know what? We're going to do it anyway. You can see I've kind of made our garden patch out here in my house. I've made it a little nicer. We have chickens, so I put up some fences, although I need to continue right here. Then we have a few things growing in here. I planted some lettuce. That's not going very well, is it? This one's going kind of well. I also have some peas over here. Those are coming up. Most everything is still inside though, and we'll get to that back over in a second. You saw the sunflowers, tomatoes, and things like that. Oh, we also have some potatoes growing here. Yep, right there. I need to do a little work, actually, because I have a lot of weeds. So some of the fun is just to pick the weeds, pull them out. Yesterday, Wesley and I grabbed a radish out of here, which was pretty cool, and we ate the radish. Wesley likes radishes, even though they're a little spicy. I'm gonna actually, let's see if I can put you down for a second. Put you down over here, and you can watch me just pick some of these weeds out. There's supposed to be some good stuff in here, but it looks like there's just weeds. So I'm gonna pick a few out, get a little dirty. You guys see that? Just toss them over there. Pulling weeds is kind of a silly process, I think. But it is something that sometimes we need to just do. If you're seeing weeds outside in your yard, if you have a yard, and you need to pull them, if they're in the wrong spot, maybe they're by your shrubs or something, or in your mulch, just go ahead and do that. It's a really nice thing to do. I'm sure your parents will appreciate it. When I was little, for every weed I pulled, I got 1 penny. But then I had to show what weeds I had, so I guess I don't really get a penny. I guess I could have cashed that in. Oh, but the cool things about pulling weeds is sometimes you find these little guys. You see them? There's a worm. Those worms are really good for the garden. I like to shake the dirt off to keep the dirt in here. Try to get all the roots off of those weeds. Ooh. It is something to do to relieve some stress. Sometimes just go out and pull some weeds. But right now it's really cold. So I think I'm gonna stop pulling weeds. And I'm gonna show you a couple other things that I have. We're gonna go in my little barn right here. It's a little shed, actually. I'm gonna show you some cool things that we have in there. Little shovels and stuff. Oh man. Ooh, chilly. So in here we have some shovels. I got my shovel there. A rake. Some more shovels. And then these things are they're tomato little things. I'll put around the tomato, watch it grow up. I have a hoe. And it's just stuff like that. You can see my gardening tractor. I ride that whenever I go mowing out in the yard. What else do I have in here? I have a few other things. I have some food for chickens. They're in here. And some stuff for the chickens that goes in there. That's the bedding. It's a little pine shavings. So there's my little barn that I have. I got a ladder. Maybe a few other things. But that's about it. I'll go show you a couple more things around the house. I've got a couple herbs growing. Some lavender and some rosemary growing up here. Oh, and some sage. My sage is really growing well. I tried to plant some basil. I got real optimistic when it got warm in early March, and I thought maybe we weren't going to have any more frosts. But we did have more frosts, and I think my basil has died. Oh, I also have some mint and some cilantro. I need to pull some weeds out here too. First, I'll show you the sage. It's right here. There's the sage you can smell. Smells like sage. It's kind of like breakfast sausage is what it reminds me of. Here's my lavender. It's a little guy. He'll grow big and he'll get some purple stuff on the top. Got a couple cilantros there with the weeds. These are weeds here. That's the cilantro. And here's my little rosemary patch. It will get much bigger, but it just kind of started. Oh, and don't forget the mint. The mint's back here. I know you guys at preschool have liked to try the mint. My hands are pretty dirty, so I'm just gonna get the edge of the mint, but maybe it's good to try. Tastes pretty good. I could actually have any of these herbs. I wouldn't want to taste the lavender because you really just like the lavender petals. But the mint I think is the best. Because I've made it in. It was cold out there. I said that we would sing a song, so let's sing. I don't know a lot of good garden songs. I'm trying to think of one. Maybe we'll just sing Five Little Monkeys, Teasing Mr. Alligator. That's at least outside. Five little monkeys teasing Mr. Swinging from a tree. Say, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along come Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be. Four little monkeys swinging from a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along come Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be. Three little monkeys swinging from a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along come Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be. One, two little monkeys swinging from a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, can't catch me. Along come Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be. One little monkey swinging from a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along come Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be. Chomp. No more monkeys swimming in a tree. Let's do some yoga. Take a deep breath in. Sit up real straight. Deep breath in and relax your body. Let it out. Deep breath in. Let it out. Next time we're gonna go up, up, up. Deep breath in and up, up, up to the sky. Namaste. I'm gonna bring you back a little bit here. See me? From here, we're gonna go to 1 foot. Go to your toe here, or way up here if you look. Just keep that paused. You want to get real tricky. Move that out a little bit. And then go ahead and switch. And fold the downward dog. From here, we're going to take our right foot. We're going to go up in the air and swing through. Ooh, watch out for a chair if it's there. Up, up, up to crescent. Warrior 1. Warrior 2. Warrior 3. Whoop. Ooh, my warrior 3 is a little off today. Reverse warrior. Triangle pose. Triangle the other one. Back to runner's stance. Downward dog. Left leg. Swing it through. Up, up, up to crescent. I'm going kind of fast today. Warrior 1. Then to warrior 2. Up to warrior 3. This one's real tricky. Do your best you can. Just go back to reverse warrior if you want. Triangle. Triangle the other way. And back to runner's pose. Downward dog. Up to cobra. Then cow position. Moo. Cow. Cow. Moo. Full body. To child's pose. From here, you can roll to your side, into your back, and just lay there for 20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, friends, that's it for yoga. We're gonna read a book real fast, and then we will go ahead and keep going. This book is the Farm Block book. It's a little bit like gardening, so that's what I figured we would read. Sorry, the words are backwards. I think we might have read this one before. I know we've read the Dino Block book, but it's a similar concept. Good morning, ducks. Good morning, farm. Let's find some eggs. Oops, we missed a page. Oh yeah, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a dozen chicks. A dozen, do you guys know how many that is? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A dozen is 12. We missed this guy, but he's a mouse. Ah. It's time for chores. We carry the compost past the old blue tractor, and now the dog needs a bath. We do compost at school, don't we, guys? You guys been composting at home? I use my compost in my garden. You might have seen some of that compost out there. Sometimes I dig a hole and put it in. Who's inside the big red barn? We help the milk the cows, brush the horses, and feed the goats. There's plenty of slop for Mama Sow and all her piglets. We harvest the corn and picnic in the field. We pick bushels full of apples to beg for Grandpa and us too. We carve the pumpkins to light up the night. So many good smells and so much to do. We are grateful for Thanksgiving Day. That whole big family. Pretty cool, huh? Winter's coming. Rub the frost off the window to see. Mama chopping wood. We check on the horses in the paddock and feed the birds in the woods. Then we head home to roast marshmallows by the fire. The doggy's sleeping, but the cat's awake. Do you see what the cat's trying to get? Do you see that over there? The little mousey. Spring can never come too soon. Bees buzz in every flower. And the lambs are born. Oh, sweet little lamb. We open the gate to let the animals return to pasture. We till the soil and plant the seeds. So the plants grow up and up. Ooh, a sunflower. Hopefully I'll have one of those in my garden. And tomatoes. Man, or these peas, maybe I got them all. I got all those things that are heading from my garden. A little squash down here, maybe pumpkins. Might get some of those too. And the plants grow down and down. Ooh, some carrots and some beets. These might be turnips or potatoes, I'm not real sure. Oh, and did you see that one? It's the worm. Come summer, we cut the high grass in the field into bales to hoist high into the hayloft. We pick the ripe berries to make jam. then load them up. We're on our way. Today is Farmers Market Day! All right, there we have it, friends. Hopefully you guys had a good day today watching this video. Go outside if you can, even though it's a little wet. You gotta wear lots of clothes. Be nice to your parents. Maybe you can, when the weather gets a little warmer, maybe you can pick some weeds around to get rid of them. But make sure they're not flowers. You don't want to be picking the flowers out, just the weeds. Have a great day. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.